the Highbanker in. My new little backup pump because my air pump carburetor went bad, but I won't be able to get a kit for a week. Got the dredge mat in. I'm going to turn it up. I'm going to use the Speed Baker today. Speed Baker is unclassified Highbanker. You shovel it in, let it go off, almost just like a dredge. Then I got the dredge mat in. You can tell I'm really steep, super steep. I ain't too worried about it. Probably 10 degrees or more. But anyways, I'm gonna dig out this trench that I'm through here. Move it up as I go. And this has got a real nice boil box, as you can see. Busts the material up, pushes the material, and backs it up against the plate. Big rocks roll out, of course. The material stays in there longer, holds it in. Gonna turn this thing up. Gonna start cranking some shovels into it. And it kind of lets you show what, when you run a Speed Baker, it's nice because you don't have to have a tailing pile going out the back. Plus you can feed it a way higher feed rate. And you don't have to wait for the wash bars to wash off the stuff and rake it and move it with your hands. And of course it flips up, mat comes out, flip it down. We're gonna start making these next year. I'm gonna make them again. Frank made some for me. We sold some, then we stopped because Frank decided not to make them anymore, just because of a life change he's going through, going to Social Security, retiring. And we're gonna pick this product up. This will be a Dream Man exclusive. All right, let's get going. Alright, I ran it steep on purpose, so I wanted you guys to see, understand how the Dream Man is supposed to look like. A lot of people ask questions. So you can see we got a cell up there that's empty. And cell on the air side. Well, that's kind of due to a dual vortex, the crash box and crashing off the side. That's almost normal. But as we noticed, the cells are semi-empty up front. So I would say I'm gonna steepen her up, flatten her out a little bit. The cells below that are starting to retain black material. See the black material in the cells? We're doing good. We're not blowing out down below. I let it idle and watch it. So we're processing material. And actually, when I run it at an idle, everything kind of spins in the first 4 row cells. It kind of spins pretty good. So we're gonna flatten it out a little bit. even though these cells are filling up nicely with black sands, just like their fourth row down, we want to kind of get that first row a little bit more holding. So that looks good. It's retaining material. It's not losing material. It's not overburdening. We don't got material like over the top of this, over the top of this, all just kind of burdened out. You can see that every cell is processing. So that's good. So we want to take it up as flat as we can. So anytime we turn off the pump, that the cells look like they're in a processing state. They're not like clumped up with material, completely full packed material going over the top. So that's what we're looking for. And as you can see, the boil box will kick out a rock that's almost 4 inches. Sometimes they set in there and I just have to pick them out by hand because I know they'll come out sooner or later, but you know, thing works pretty slick. I've moved quite a bit of material. Big hole right here, just a few moments. Now we'll flatten her out, we'll run her again. We'll take a look at the mat after it runs a while a little bit flatter. 10 buckets of material. Cool beans. Okay, I had to stop. I dug too much and my Highbanker leg was starting to sink. Got off a little off level. See the cells are fuller now. Dark sands. Liking that one in between the M&M. And filling up nicely with black sands. See, that's what we want. Cells are processing, moving material through. Even filling up nicely with black sands down here. Even at the bottom. So we're doing good. Just gotta level this up a little bit more and start digging more that way. I was digging too close because I was finding some nice rusty sandy clay right there and I was getting a little greedy. Gave my box in. Alright, so let's level this baby back up and get at her again. Alright, here's the last cleanup. Got all the right shaped, nice square little rocks, so we got some good heavy stuff. I ran probably another 10 buckets through it. Do this one-handed, sorry guys. Look at that perfectly square little rock there. Hey, you got some pretty good sized gold this time, look at that. Some lead over there. Got some gold, nice piece of gold there. Yeah, pretty sweet. Can't complain. Dream Mac gets it, even that fine stuff. Look at this. Circle the wagon one more time. Get that finer stuff up in there. There we go. Cool beans.